Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm going to take a shot at the floor pan. I think the driver's side is the safest side to start with, because there's no fuel lines or anything below it. So what we're going to do is I kind of experimented with a couple different things. I kind of went a little crazy here, busting out spot welds. I think it busted a little too far through. But what we're going to do is I'm going to take the drill that I was using and drill out an outline to kind of follow and cut out these bulk parts, and then we'll worry about the cross members afterwards. So we're going to go ahead and knock that out and get an outline going here. All right, let's do it. Well, I'm committed now. Floor pan's right there. Yep.
That's some good news for
We
you.
are committed, so we're going to go ahead and get this thing cut out the rest of the way. We're going to do the same thing for that front portion, being careful around the pillars. Then we're going to drill out the...
I just figured if we're going to war, we'd want the
we're
one
gonna drill
guy
out,
who's actually been in a war.
We're going to drill out the... hold on one second, pause TV, sorry. We're going to drill out the spot welds. Alright. Didn't set the garage on fire, so that's a plus. Alright, let's keep going. Here we go. And that's why you should wear gloves. So I'll be right back after I get some gloves on.
I'll go.
You and me or what?
Alright.
Something like that.
Now we got gloves on. Safety first.
I told you you had to.
Wow. Smells like freaking paper. Alright, we got our circa 1980, 1970 safety goggles. I'm going to use these because last time I wasn't, and that's not smart. I always should have PPE, proper PPE on. So I'm going to get these on, and we're going to start cutting this out and being as careful as we can be. So, see how it goes. Good so far. As you see, there's two gigantic holes in my floor, and my supports are still there. Right here, we got to be very careful because underneath there's a cross brace that supports the transmission. So cutting the cross right here, we're going to go very shallow, very slowly, and just make sure we don't nick it or anything. All right, we're going to be very careful. But first, I'm going to cut this little piece, and maybe I can slice it out, bend it up, slice it out, so that way I don't have to. I can see a little clearer under there. So let's get going with that. Alright guys, so we're not nearly done. We got a lot of work to go, but as you can see, we made some pretty good progress on the driver's side. Still have to do the passenger side over there. But you know, this is gonna be day one conclusion. This will be the conclusion of day one of the floor pan replacement. So hopefully we can get back to work here shortly. It's just it's past midnight and I've already woken up my kid like 3 times. So hope you guys all have a good night, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. All right, take care.